महाधिवेशनमा तब ठाउँमा बसेर छलफल गर्ने
emergency video
पर्ने ठाउँहरुमा हामी भन्ने गर्नुपर्छ
This guy, oh my gosh, I just got that all on camera. In a trailer, he was up my bum in a 60k zone, and then he almost took out, he went double lane, and then he almost took out the guardrail in the middle.